In this video, we will talk about arrange function from dplyr package. The arrange function, as name suggests, arranges the rows either in ascending or descending order for the selected columns. So here is our old friend, the empty cast data set. So let's start with a simple step. But before we proceed, make sure that you have loaded the tidyverse library. Now I want to arrange the data as per the engine size. So here we are talking about this variable called disp, which is engine displacement, and I want to use this variable to arrange the data set. So let's use the arrange function. The first argument of any dplyr function is always a data set. So empty cast data set, and then the name of the variable we want to arrange the data set with. So in this case, disp variable. Now one thing to note here is that by default, the data is arranged in ascending order. Now let's execute the command, and as you can see in the output that the data set is arranged in ascending order of the disp values. You can also arrange the values in descending order. Let's use the same variable and arrange the data in descending order. Now here we will have to wrap the variable name inside disc function, disp function. The disp function is used to arrange the values in descending order. Now if we execute this, we can see that the disp values are now arranged in descending order. Now so far we have been using a single variable to arrange the data set. Now can we be able to use multiple variables to sort out the data? We can do that. Let's take a case of two variables, cylinder and displacement. Now observe carefully here. The data gets sorted out as per the order of variables within the arrange function. The order specified is cylinder variable and then displacement variable. So the sorting takes place on the cylinder variable. As you can see, the rows with the 4-cylinder engine comes first, and then all the rows with 6-cylinder engine comes later, and so on. And then if you look at the disp variable, the values are arranged in ascending order within subgroup of each engine cylinder values. So for 4-cylinder engine, the disp values are arranged in ascending order. For 6-cylinder engine, it is the same case, and for other cylinder engines, the same pattern is repeating. In the next example, one variable is arranged in descending order and another one is arranged in ascending order. So if we execute this, then we can see that the cylinder variable is sorted out in ascending order and disp variable is sorted out in descending order within each subgroup of cylinder values. So far so good. We have seen the data set that don't have any missing values. But what happens to the sorting if the data set contains missing values? So here is a data frame which contains 2 missing values. So let me type out df. So here we go, we have 2 missing values here. Now if I use the arrange function to sort out the age variable, look what happens. All the missing values are placed right at the bottom. And even if you use the descending function, you will get the same output. All the any values are placed right at the bottom of the output. So we have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video till end. If you are interested in learning about the fundamentals of R programming, I've recently launched a cohort-based course. In this course, you will get 18 hours of live classes, 100+ practice exercises, session notes, and R scripts you can use in your projects and much more. Check out the course webpage, plotlyanalytics/cells. You may also be interested in my other free resources as well in the form of blogs. Check out my 2 hours plus free on-demand course on R programming. All the free resources you will find at plotlyanalytics.com. Do check in. I will see you in the next video.